Hey there, friends. This month, I'd like to give you a tip on how to help keep your low back healthy. We've got muscles in our core on either side called quadratus lumborum, or QL for short. It's deep in each side of your waist. When one gets stronger than the other, or if one gets weak, or both get weak, then that oftentimes contributes to low back pain. So let's do a little exercise where we can help keep them strong. What I'm going to ask you to do is go into a 90-90 position. So you have three 90-degree angles in your legs, 90 degrees there, 90 degrees here, and 90 degrees over there. Now I'm going to turn around and show you a view from behind. So once I've done that 90-degree angle, those 90-degree angles, my right hip is down. I'm going to bring my right forearm down as well. And then I'm going to lift my left hand up and we'll lift my right hip off the floor. I'm going to bring it back down and lift it up again. So when I lift my right hip off the floor, this muscle that I mentioned earlier, the right side of my core engages strongly. The one on top will get a little bit of a stretch. So I'll do this 5 or 6 times. Then let's hold my right hip off the floor for a few breaths. And I'll come down and I'll change sides. Drop my knees to the left. Get those 90-degree angles. Then my left forearm down. I lift up and down repetitively so I engage my left side now and release my right side. So give it a try. It's really easy to work into your sequences or your practice any time of the day, as long as you have some space. Give it a try. Hope you find it helpful, and maybe I'll see you in my Healthy Low Back workshop on February 8th. Have a great day.